So today is July 14th and it's 8:20 in the morning.
Yes.
And so we're gonna go take pictures on the beach and then we're gonna go get acai bowls.
Yep.
You got anything to say, Haley?
Nope.
Dad, you got anything to say to the vlog? He's eating a pre-breakfast.
What the fuck is going on? It's a workshop at the beach.
Oh yeah, what the hell?
It's a workshop at the beach.
Oh, maybe it's a church. A worship?
There's dolphins all the way out
I don't
there.
see any.
Just hold it. Look, they're all the way over there.
What?
We got an acai bowl. We came to a turtle place. Excited.
Oh my god.
I really need some freaking chapstick. My lips have never burned so much in my life.
Is it from your braces coming off?
Yeah, because I had to mold everything to my mouth for my retainer. They're so burnt.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the beach and Annalise and Haley are putting their sunscreen on. Oh, her tanning oil, I'm sorry. And then after we get our sunscreen and tanning oil on, we're gonna go boogie boarding because it's mad hot out right now. So we'll see you guys in the next clip.
We boogie boarded.
Were pinched by any crabs. So we just got out of the water and Mom wears water shoes in the water. Hey guys, so we're leaving the beach now and then we're gonna head to the pool.
We have some exciting news, but you have to wait to find out later. So make sure you tune in for that vlog. Okay, we just got done eating dinner. I'm sunburnt. So right now we are going, it's 6:03 at night, and we are going to Dollar General because we have to get party supplies because it's somebody's birthday coming up soon. So we have to go. I have to send a snap to my friends of what I'm doing because they're nosy sometimes.
Don't they watch this?
Look, I got this really cute picture of Haley.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at Haley.
Oh my god. Look at the picture. You sent it to me?
Yeah, I did.
Like I need it again.
But yeah, we're going to Dollar General. Keyboard or whatever. Okay, we will show you what we buy at Dollar General. Kaylin's over there with some movie star sunglasses.
Oh yeah, Annalise.
Watch out, I'm the FBI. I'm her bodyguard. Don't touch her. I'm too famous for you or whatever.
Go to Garb Shop.
We're at the Dollar General right now getting our decoration.
And we're gonna make a poster that says happy birthday on it. We got some balloons and candles. So we'll show you later our haul. There goes Annalise. She's about to go buy a house. One box, right? It's only gonna be for us, right?
Nice hair.
Mac and cheese just for us.
What?
And it's not like she watches our videos.
Yes.
And I'm gonna buy this and write it all over the house for you. Name all over it.
We're not actually getting it.
Yes, we are. Watch.
We didn't get it, right, Mom?
Check the carrots in there.
It's not in there. Hey guys, so we just got out of Giant and we ordered a cake for our special guest. And we're gonna drop off the groceries, and then after that we're gonna go and get a picture because we have to develop the picture so that we can put it on the cake. It's a very good picture. And then there's the balloons. Say hi.
Hi.
We'll see you guys later.
Breaking news coming at you. Haley, tell them the breaking news.
It's SpongeBob's birthday! We got SpongeBob on! It's a movie! Where'd SpongeBob go? There he is!
Oh, I've seen this one.
I haven't.
Sad case.